Okay. Now, if you look at this place, this diagram, what does it say? In the figure given below, or I think you are seeing the side by side, the triangle what we are able to see, or that it is not simply a triangle, but it says it is a what we call quadrilateral. Okay, this is completely a quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? P, Q, R, S. Okay, and PR is perpendicular to QR. And see, again, PR is perpendicular to QR as well as one more thing is also clear. PR is perpendicular to PS also. See, this is the condition which is given. So perpendicular condition means there is something called, this particular area, this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So here, what do I write here? This is 90 degrees and then this is 90 degrees. Okay. Right. Then how do we solve the problem? See, let me not solve this problem in a one stretch goes, but let me give a gist of the problem first. Then we'll understand how to address the problem. See, at very basic instant, if you know, see now consider the triangle P R. Yes, no, I don't want to write it as PRS. Rather, I want to write it as let me say RP. Yes. So this is the triangle which are going to conduct or consider. So in any triangle, some of the angles, so angle R plus angle P plus angle S should be equal to 180 degrees. I think you agree with this, right? You agree with this. Some of the angles should be equal to 180 degrees. So at the very first instance, what we can actually find is this angle. Suppose say I say it is X. So if you see this triangle, we can find angle X first. I think you agree with me. If you are agreeing with me, that means we are ready to solve this problem. Okay, this is the basic question we have to understand. This is the basic, starting point you have to do. What is the next triangle I can consider? And then I can work with. See, now consider the triangle. I consider the triangle now QRP. Yes, boss. This triangle QRP. So this is RPS. So let me actually draw this in a similar fashion. QRP. And then this one, RPQ, right, RPS. Now see, if I compare, considering QRP as a triangle, I can use Pythagoras theorem. See, Pythagoras theorem. I think everybody knows what is the Pythagoras theorem. Then I can find the side which is unknown. That is here. I don't know the side PR. I do have PQ, that means, I have the values of, let me take this color. I know this value, but I don't know this side. So there are two triangles which I'm considering and I'm trying to find the unknowns first. Then we can address the question. Okay, what is the number one question? What is given? What is the value of tan Q? See, it is saying tan Q. That means I should know what is the angle of this. Okay. What is this angle first? If you want to know this angle, or tan Q is very, tan Q, no. Tan Q, how to solve this tan Q, boss? This is again a little confusing problem. Okay, right, good. So this is where my first understanding of the problem is done. What I need to find, I have done it. Then we'll go further and try to understand how to solve the problem. Bye.